Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and your computer so the unlock can proceed cleanly. Enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and enable OEM unlock when shown. This authorizes the bootloader change. Install ADB and Fastboot tools on your PC, then connect the phone with a good USB cable. Once done, power the phone into Fastboot mode, usually volume down plus power, so the device is listening for unlock commands. This sequence prevents permission errors and ensures commands will be accepted. Now you move to the core steps where a single command flips the bootloader state. First, make sure Fastboot Devices shows your device ID. If not, troubleshoot drivers. Then run the correct command for your vendor, Fastboot OEM Unlock or Fastboot Flashing Unlock, because manufacturers differ. After issuing the command, the phone will prompt you to confirm. Use the physical buttons to accept. Make sure to read the prompt. Accepting triggers a factory wipe and permanently enables unsigned images, which is the point of unlock. You finish by rebooting and verifying the new state so you can continue customizing. Issue Fastboot Reboot and let the phone complete the first boot. Then verify the unlocked flag with Fastboot OEM Device Info or the bootloader menu. Once confirmed, restore your backups and reinstall apps or updates. If the device doesn't respond or Fastboot won't detect it, check drivers, try another USB port, or re-enable OEM unlock in settings. This driver/permission issue is the most common troubleshooting tip to resolve failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.